You've just been hit with an unexpected expense. Rent is due, car repairs are piling up, or maybe you just need a little extra cash to tide you over. Possible finance seems like a quick fix, right? But how long do you actually have to wait for that money to hit your account? Let's dive in. Now, the big question is, how fast does Possible Finance process payments? The short answer is, it depends. A whole lot depends on a variety of factors that we're going to break down today. First off, let's talk about the application process. Possible Finance prides itself on speed, and that's usually true for the application part. You can typically complete the application within a few minutes. It's a straightforward process that asks for basic personal and financial information. Once submitted, the AI-powered system gets to work, assessing your eligibility. If you're approved, the next step is funding. Here's where things can vary. Possible Finance offers a couple of funding options. The first is direct deposit to your bank account. This is usually the standard method, and it can take anywhere from 1 to 2 business days for the funds to reflect in your account. So, if you need the money ASAP, this might not be the quickest option. But wait, there's more. Possible Finance also offers a feature that allows you to transfer funds to a Visa debit card. Now, this is where things get interesting. In theory, this method should be almost instant. You get the money as soon as the transfer is complete. However, it's important to note that not all Visa debit cards are compatible with this feature. So, while it's a promising option, it's not guaranteed to work for everyone. But let's talk about those factors that can influence processing times. First up, the day of the week matters. Applications and processing tend to be quicker during weekdays compared to weekends. So, if you need the money fast, avoid applying on a Friday or Saturday. Next, the time of day can also play a role. Possible Finance operates on specific business hours, and processing times might be shorter during peak business hours. And let's not forget about your financial history. While Possible Finance doesn't perform a traditional credit check, they do assess your financial behavior. If there are any red flags, the verification process might take a bit longer. So, to sum it up, how long does Possible Finance take to process payment? It can range from instant to a couple of business days. The speed depends on the funding method you choose, the day of the week, the time of day, and your financial history. It's always a good idea to check the Possible Finance website or app for the most up-to-date information. They might have specific details about processing times and